Angklung. A rattle-like musical instrument made of 2 to 4 bamboo tubes attached to a bamboo frame. Authentic. Real or genuine, not copied or false. Brass band. A band, such as a marching band or a military band, in which most of the musicians play brass instruments, such as trumpets and trombones. Chants. To sing words and especially religious prayers by using small number of musical notes that are repeated many times. Culinary. Relating to the kitchen or cookery. Devotional. Relating to or used in religious services. Dogma. A belief or set of beliefs that is accepted with the members of a group without being questioned or doubted. Ensemble. A group of people or things that make up a complete unit, such as musical group, group of actors or dancers or a set of clothes. Epic. Telling a story about a hero or about exciting events or adventures. Ethnolinguistic. A field of linguistics which studies the relationship between language and culture, and the way different ethnic groups perceive the world. Folk song. A song created with the people of a country or region, a song sung in folk music. Granary. A building in which grain is stored. Habanera. A Cuban dance in slow duple time. Harana. Serenade. Hispanic. Relating to the people, speech, or culture of Spain. Hymn. A religious song, a song that praises God. Jovial. Full of happiness and joy. Key signature. The sharps or flats placed after a clef in music to indicate the key. Lenten. Relating to, or suitable for Lent. Liturgy. A fixed set of ceremonies, words, etc., that are used during public worship in religion. Melody. A pleasing series of musical notes that form the main part of a song or piece of music. Meter. The basic recurrent rhythmical patterns of note values, accents, and beats per measure in music. Motet. A polyphonic choral composition or the sacred text usually without instrumental accompaniment. Neumes. Any of various symbols used in the notation of the Gregorian chant. Orchestra. A group of musicians who usually play classical music, together and who are led by a conductor. Organ. A keyboard instrument in which sets of pipes are sounded by compressed air and produced a variety of timbres called also pipe organ. Patronage. Money or financial support that is given to an artist, organization, etc. Pitch. Highness and lowness of tones. Plectrum. Pick use for strumming guitars and the like. Proscenium. The part of a stage that is front of the curtain. Repertoire. All the plays, songs, dances, etc., that a performer, or group of performers knows and can perform. Resonator. A device used to make something, such as a musical instrument, louder. Rhythm. A regular, repeated pattern of sounds or movements. Rondalla. Ensemble or string instruments played with a plectrum or pick and generally known as plectrum instruments. Tempo. The rate of speed of a musical piece or passage indicated by one of a series of directions, as largo, presto, or allegro, and often by an exact metronome marking. Timbre. The quality of the sound made by a particular voice or musical instrument. Urbanized. To impart an urban way of life to urbanize migrants from rural areas. Woodwind. Any one of the group of musical instruments that includes flutes, clarinets, oboes, bassoons, and saxophones. Bakwat. Belt made by the Gadangs. Mothers wear it after giving birth. Bul'ul. A sculpture of the human figure made of wood that represents the ancestor spirits of the Ifo Gaus. These are used in harvest rituals to us protection for the crops and a bountiful harvest. Buri. Leaves used in making mats and baskets. Burnay. Is a clay jar from Ilocos Sur. Higantes. Big paper mache human figures such as farmers, fishermen, and workers of Engano, Rizal. Inabel is a traditional way of weaving textile in Ilocos Sur. Ivadan are a group of people from Batanes. Kayan wrap, a round skirt or tapi worn by the southern Kalanga women. Keeping colorful decors, traditionally used during the pahiyas, that are made from ground glutinous rice thinly coated on special leaves and cooked over low fire. Lingling-o amulets worn around the neck used as fertility symbol of Ifo Gauss. Singkaban is the local term for bamboo arches designed with kayas in Bulacan. Soat is a rain cape worn by the Ivadan men. Okit, the local term for carving. Vakul, headgear used by the women of Batanes.
Thank you for watching. I hope nakatulong ang video na to sa inyo. Click the subscribe button para updated, mag-like, at mag-comment below. Kung gusto niyo shout out, kung mayroon kayong suggestions at katanungan, just comment below. Maraming salamat po.